Hi everyone, come let's do a men's foot wax with me today. Yes, men get their foot wax and I don't think there's nothing wrong with that. And I think it is so nice if you're going on vacation just to have like a clean foot. So I'm using Tickled Pink by Sexy Smooth. This wax is good for foot wax, but I feel like the temperature I had it on was just not hot enough for a foot wax. I feel like I could have put it a little bit warmer just because it was drying too fast and not a lot of hair was coming off. And then you're gonna see I did have to tweeze a little, which I don't really have to tweeze ever when I do a foot wax, but like I said, I feel like it wasn't warm enough and it does break on me, so I did have to layer it. Overall, I do love this wax, but I feel like for a foot wax, it wasn't the best. But for a Brazilian, I would definitely 100% recommend. I did want to try this wax on different body parts just to give you guys my honest review on it. And I will be testing out new waxes, so stay tuned for that. And after I just tweezed a little, put a little of my ingrown serum on, and thanks for watching.